Hello, I'm John Howard, and this is the Auto-Ordnance Bootcamp. Today I will be showing you how to disassemble your Tommy gun. Step 1. Place the safety lever in the safe position. Step 2. Remove the magazine by pushing up on the magazine catch and pulling the magazine out of the rifle. Step 3. Confirm the rifle is unloaded by visually checking the chamber. Step 4. While pointing the gun in a safe direction, pull the trigger to put the firing pin in the fired position. Step 5. Before disassembly, the bolt should be in the forward position, firing pin in the fired position, and the safety lever in the fire position. Step 6. With the firearm upside down and using a flat blade screwdriver with a 1/8 inch width or narrower blade, depress the frame latch button in the rear bottom portion of the receiver while pulling the frame to the rear. Step 7. Once the frame is clear of the button, remove the screwdriver and continue pulling the frame to the rear. Step 8. When the frame latch button again catches on the frame, use the screwdriver to depress the frame latch button and pull the frame off the receiver. Be careful not to drop the frame latch button. Step 9. While the receiver is still upside down, remove the recoil spring guide and springs. It may be helpful to use the flat blade screwdriver to take pressure off the recoil spring guide before lifting it out of the receiver. The recoil spring guide is under spring tension, so care should be taken when it clears the receiver. Step 10. After removing the recoil spring guide and springs, the firing pin pilot and spring will come out of the hole in the rear of the receiver. Step 11. Holding the bolt forward with the firearm upside down, point the muzzle upwards so that the hammer drops free of the bolt. Step 12. Remove the bolt handle from the hole in the top of the receiver. Note that on the M1 model, this will be on the side of the receiver. Step 13. The bolt can now be removed by sliding it all the way to the rear and lifting it clear of the receiver. This has been the Auto-Ordnance Bootcamp. If you're interested in the Tommy gun or other auto-ordnance products, please visit Auto-Ordnance.com.